Albinism, a genetic disorder that reduces melanin production in the body. Albinism is a rare genetic disorder that reduces the production of melanin, the pigment that gives skin, hair, and eyes their color. People with albinism have little or no melanin in their bodies, which can cause a variety of physical problems, including vision problems, sensitivity to sunlight, and an increased risk of skin cancer. There are many different types of albinism, each caused by a different genetic mutation. The most common type is oculocutaneous albinism, which affects the skin, hair, and eyes. Other types of albinism may only affect the eyes or the skin. Albinism is not contagious and is not caused by anything the mother or father does during pregnancy. It is usually inherited from parents who carry the albinism gene, but it can also occur spontaneously. There is no cure for albinism, but there are treatments that can help manage the symptoms. People with albinism need to protect their skin from the sun by wearing sunscreen and protective clothing. They may also need to use special glasses to help with their vision. With proper care, people with albinism can live healthy and productive lives. However, they may face social challenges due to their appearance. It is important to remember that people with albinism are just like everyone else and deserve to be treated with respect. Here are some additional facts about albinism. Albinism affects people of all races and ethnicities. Albinism is more common in Africa than in other parts of the world. There are an estimated 20,000 to 40,000 people with albinism in the United States. If you or someone you know has albinism, there are many resources available to help. The National Organization for Albinism and Hyperpigmentation, NOAA, is a good place to start. NOAA provides information and support to people with albinism and their families. It is important to raise awareness about albinism and to dispel the myths and misconceptions that often surround it. People with albinism are just like everyone else and deserve to be treated with respect. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths. They are often seen as pests, but they are an important part of the ecosystem. Caterpillars play a vital role in pollination and food chains. They are also a source of food for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Caterpillars have a soft, segmented body with 6 legs. They have 3 pairs of true legs and 5 pairs of prolegs, which are fleshy protrusions that help them grip onto plants. Caterpillars also have a head with mandibles, jaws, for chewing and antennae for sensing their surroundings. Most caterpillars are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. They have a very strong appetite and can consume a large amount of leaves and other plant material in a short period of time. This helps to control plant populations and prevent them from overgrowing their environment. Caterpillars undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. This process involves the complete breakdown and reorganization of the caterpillar's body into an adult butterfly or moth. Metamorphosis is divided into 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The first stage of metamorphosis is the egg. Caterpillar eggs are laid on plants by adult butterflies or moths. The eggs hatch into tiny larvae, which are the caterpillars. As caterpillars grow, they molt several times. Molting is the process of shedding the old exoskeleton and growing a new one. After each molt, the caterpillar becomes larger and more developed. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it spins a cocoon or chrysalis around itself. Inside the cocoon or chrysalis, the caterpillar's body breaks down and reassembles into an adult butterfly or moth. The final stage of metamorphosis is the adult stage. When the adult butterfly or moth emerges from the cocoon or chrysalis, it is fully formed and ready to reproduce. Caterpillars are fascinating creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. They are a reminder of the power of nature and the beauty of metamorphosis.